Hey everyone, this is Nick Molina with Embrace Tutoring. In this video, we'll be covering number 12 from the non-calculator math section of the College Board Practice Test 10. Remember, these videos provide additional explanation and content review, but you'll always want to attempt the problems independently. Before we begin, do us a favor and subscribe to the link below to receive the most recent videos and practice problems. Okay, let's get started. So in the figure above, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So before we continue, let's talk about that word similar. So similar means that all of their angles are congruent, their corresponding angles. So angle B would be congruent to angle E, angle C would be congruent to angle F, and angle A and angle D are already marked congruent because they're both 90 degrees. So what that also tells us is that their sides are in proportion. So that would mean, for example, if I was to consider the side length of 12, that's going to be in proportion with the side length over here with the length of ED. The same as segment length 5 for segment AC will be the same proportion as DF. So we're actually going to use that in this problem to answer the cosine of C. So cosine of, E. E here is our reference angle. All right, so I'm going to highlight that in the problem. And the cosine is a ratio of side lengths. It's the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. So if we're referencing angle E, this is going to be our adjacent side, and this is going to be our hypotenuse side. The adjacent side is always the side next to the reference angle, and the hypotenuse is always the side across from the right angle. Now the problem here is that we're not given the adjacent and the hypotenuse sides of this triangle, but we're given the sides of a smaller triangle that we know is similar to it. And because their sides are in proportion, we can consider the adjacent here, which is 12, and the hypotenuse, which is 13, we consider their ratio. So that's going to be 12 over 13. And because we know these triangles are similar, their side lengths are in proportion, so the adjacent over the hypotenuse of the larger triangle has to be that same ratio. And that is answer choice B. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this solution, or if you solve this one in a different way, please be sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.